Hey guys, welcome to my very first video. I'm going to be unlocking 25 Crate 19s, which is kind of ridiculous because it cost me $100 to get all this stuff. And before you think that I'm some eccentric rich guy, I'm not. I just make poor decisions. I guess what you learn is you never really grow up. Uh, this is like terrible. Anyway, you never grow up, and then suddenly you're an adult and you make money, but you're still a kid. You don't know how to spend the money. Anyway, here I go. Fuck. Alright, so I like unboxing Crate 19s for a couple reasons. Like, first of all, there's a 20% chance that you can get a grenade launcher, and that's always fun, because those sell for 3 keys, but I haven't been lucky. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh, that sucks. I get so many of these, and like, although I've been lucky, I unboxed 2 unusuals in the past couple weeks. One was, and they had good effects. Damn it. I mean, I really just want to see like a grenade launcher. Like, I'm not, like, forget the unusual, just give me a grenade launcher. Come on. Fuck. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Listen, what are the chances here that I unboxed 7 crates and I don't get something that I should get one every 5? You know, like a sticky bomb or a whatever grenade launcher. Fuck. I can't even think. I'm like so pissed off. Alright, hold on. Alright, this one, guys, is going to be a team captain. Are you ready? Here it is. This is going to be my new team captain right here. Nope. Crap. Fucking crap. Alright. This one is not going to be a total shit. I know it. I can feel it. Holy crap. This is the worst kind of gambling. Alright, here we go. Here we go. Holy shit. And that's some shit. Fuck. Alright. Alright. Alright, I'll take that. I'll take that. I will take that. I will take that and stick it up Valve's ass. Holy mother of shit. I keep getting crap. So, these things that I've been unboxing are like maybe a little bit above 1 ref. And, you know, Crate 19 is worth about a key. So they're pretty tough to get. Like, they cost almost $2 at the market. On the Steam community market. That's ridiculous. So each time I'm opening this, it's like using 2 keys. That's like $5. Like $4. I can't math. It's like $4. Here we go. I just wasted $4. Yep. Ladies and gentlemen, the $4 strange sticky bomb launcher. There we go. $4 for that. Holy crap. Alright, here we go. You know what? Anybody who spends money at this game is a total idiot, including me. This means nothing in the real world. Alright. Alright, I'll take that. These things, these pixels, mean nothing in the real world. I could put, you know, I could put $100, I could invest it, I can, I don't know, go to a movie. I mean, like 10 movies. Holy crap. I can, like, Holy crap, these suck. With $100, I can get like a quarter. Holy crap. What am I doing? Holy crap. I haven't even paid my cable bill yet. What the fuck? Okay. Alright. Alright. I recovered, so each of these is 3. So that's 9 keys that I can make from this, but I've spent 50 keys. 50 keys, basically. For some fucking doo-doo. Alright. This one will be a killer exclusive. You ready? Here we go. Oh my fucking god. Alright, here we go. Here we go, here we go. Holy crap. Alright. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's like 8 keys, 11. So I've recovered like 12 keys, which isn't terrible. Like the actual losses here is not terrible, but it's pretty sad. Yep, pretty sad. Alright, is this the last one? Yep. Alright guys, last one, and girls, but probably guys, mostly guys. Alright. Here we go. Here we go. I'm gonna put this over here, and this over here. They need to be together. If you arrange your inventory in a certain way, the chances of you getting an unusual are higher. That's totally not true, but alright, here we go guys. This is going to be an Islander, definitely. Like, I can feel it in my heart that this will be a fucking Islander that is worth shit. Like, literally shit. Like, a ton of fucking shit. Like, trailer park full of shit. Here we go, the shit countdown. Yep. Alright. Well, there we go. That was 25. If you want to see, last week I uncrated this, which is the Beams whatever the fuck, and it's really good. I mean, please buy it. And I also unboxed this, which is my favorite. I mean, it's awesome. Scout hats are always fun. Alright, well, you guys just watched a grown-ass man spend $100 uncrating useless shit for no reason. And if you're like a kid right now and you're watching this, this is your future. So, welcome. Thanks for watching. Bye.